Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to send GIFs in Slack. So here I am in my Slack account dashboard. So make sure you already have an account and that you're already logged in. And from here, I will go to my workspace. So I will just click on Launch Slack. If you have the Slack application installed, you can just go ahead and click on Open Slack. But if not, you can just click on Cancel and then click the link right here to use Slack in your browser. Then here's the Slack application open in my browser, and GIFs or GIFs, depending on how you pronounce it, are moving images that you can send in your messages in Slack to provide more friendly or fun interactions with your workmates. So for example, this is an example of a GIF. And then to send a GIF, if you are using Windows, you can just press on your keyboard the Windows key and then the V key at the same time. So if I press on it, there will be a clipboard right here, and then you can go ahead and click the GIF icon right here, and then you can search for different GIFs. So for example, I'll type in here happy, and then you can choose a happy GIF right here. You can choose anything that you want. So for example, this one, and then you can just click on send. And then as you can see, I have now sent this GIF as a message in the Slack workspace. Another way is that you can go to another website. So open a tab right here and type in here Giphy. Then open this Giphy website. Then from here, you can just search for a GIF. So for example, I want to search a happy GIF again. And then from here, you can choose different types of GIFs that you want to send. So for example, I want to send this one. So I'll just click on it. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to copy the link and then go back to Slack. And then we can paste the link, and then it will attach the GIF right here. But if we delete this, it will remove that GIF. So for example, if I send it like that, now you have this GIF, but you also have this long text right here that indicates the link of this GIF. Another way that you can do it is that you can just click on this link icon and then paste the link right here. And then for example, for the text, you'll type in here happy face, click on save, and then you can click on send. And then since I sent the same link, it will say here that the Slack bot didn't unfurl the GIF. So you can just click on show preview anyway, and then you can see right here you have the GIF, and then you have this text right here that says happy face. Another way is that you can go ahead right here, and then from this GIF you can just right click and then click save image as. Then from here, make sure that you are saving the file as a GIF file, and then you can just change the file name. So for example, happy face, click on save. Then right here, you can go ahead and drag the GIF right here, and then you can send it as well. And then as you can see, I have sent this GIF right here in the Slack workspace. So make sure that you don't copy this image, because if you do that, you will only send the image file. And then for example, if I send it right here, you can see that the image is not moving as a GIF. So keep that in mind as well. And then here in Slack, you can also install the Giphy application. So just scroll down right here in the sidebar, click on add apps, and then type in here Giphy. Then you can install this app. Click on add to Slack. And then add GIF integration, and then save integration. And then right here, you can go ahead and go back to the workspace, reload, let's see if the app is installed. So it's not installed yet, so let's make sure. And then go back to the workspace, and then from here we can just type in / and then Giphy, and then you can click on this option right here, and then for example I can just type in here happy, and then it will search for a random GIF that has the happy keyword, and then you can just click on shuffle if you want to change the GIF, and then you can click on send, and then that is it. That is different ways that we can send GIFs in Slack, and I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.